Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Luvmehair's AirFit wig. So they basically sent me this wig and it's their AirFit wig and it's supposed to be very comfortable and you're basically not even supposed to know you're wearing a wig, which was great because I personally have been trying to grow my edges. And I even went to go see a dermatologist who did like a scalp analysis. They took like a piece of my scalp and they took it to the lab and basically told me that, hey, you need to let your hair breathe. You can't wear anything too tight. So you guys know that wigs are like really a big part of my protective hairstyle and what has helped my hair grow all this time. So I didn't want to give up the wig. So when I heard about the AirFit, I was gagged and I was excited to try it. So they sent me this wig, but I actually also went ahead and ordered it because I wanted to double check the consistency, because if I'm going to be giving you guys videos, I want to make sure that they're, honest. So they sent me one, I bought one, it's the same wig. So I'm going to be unboxing it today, just showing it to you side by side. From a consistency standpoint, this looked pretty consistent. Yeah. And they have the same length, same luster. So if you order this, one thing that I can vouch for, and I can say with my full chest, is that they will send a similar wig to you. It's not like the influencers get away, because I really wanted to verify that. So glad I was able to do that. So when you first open it, it comes with like Love Me Hair For You, and it's, I think it's a center. And then it also comes with this HD hair cap. It comes with a melt band, okay? I thought it was like an additional strap, but if you wanted to lay this down even more further, you would like put the glue on and melt her down. Okay, Love Me Hair. It also comes with these little strips, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this goes on the back of this. It gives it like a softer, let me see if I can focus that a little bit more. The best way I can explain this is that it's like a sticky tape. So when you stick the tape on the back, it sticks to the grids and it basically absorbs the knot. That's the best way I can explain that. One thing I will say is that if you have a big head, like this is gonna contour. If you have a small head, it will fit, and if you have a bigger head, it's gonna sit very comfortably on your head. I believe this also features like a softer lace, so I'm putting it on my skin here. You have that focus, and this is not me like putting foundation or anything. This is it just laying on my arm. I'm personally gonna wear this as a glueless wig because I'm lazy and I like to just come home and snatch off my wig at the end of the day. But I'm sure if you went ahead and glued it down or like used the tape, it would be really nice. In addition to it being super comfortable, it also has these ear combs. That way you can kind of like hook them in. It also has one in the back. The old caps they used to have like an adjustable strap here in the back, but it seems like they've made this snug enough so you get that stretch. So all the adjustment is going to be done with the strap they've attached. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. This is it straight out of the pack. And it looks like this goes a little further back too. Yeah, in terms of fit, I actually really like it. It feels nice and lightweight. Staying on, it's completely glueless. Yeah, and I haven't even touched this with like makeup or anything. All right, so I'm back and I'm putting a little bit of makeup on here. Nothing crazy. I just took what I use for my face and then just going in there and tapping the excess. Okay, I'll be quiet. I'm gonna go style it and then we'll see what she looks like after this. So I just finished doing my hair and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it down with some Bio Silk Therapy just to help hold the curls. Okay, so I am back. I did get into light tussles with my curls. Yeah, I definitely want to cut some layers. Although they have layered out really nicely on its own, I want like, you'll see. Let me just go get scissors and do it. This is the look, okay? It is nice and flat, and my cornrows aren't even like new cornrows. But I want to just finalize this video by giving you my pros and cons of this wig. And one of the biggest thing I love about this hair is the fact that it's glueless. We are working on the edges, so I was excited to try this wig because it's like so soft. It almost feels like if I wore a scarf to bed or like a hairnet to bed. Another thing I love obviously is the length of this because it gives the illusion that it is your hair. I have like 2-month-old cornrows underneath this, and for me to just only have a headband, no wig cap, and it giving this much scalp is crazy to me. Like, I know you guys could probably sense my excitement and like from this video. Like, I am definitely feeling it. I just like the softness, like the lace is not too hard. The only other wig that I really like the look of is synthetic wig because I feel like the lace just lays a little bit better. This gives me the synthetic lace without the hardness of the synthetic lace, which is perfect because you're getting that flawless look but on a human hair unit. So Luvme Hair really did their thing on this unit. I feel like the team's minds and gears are rolling with this one, balancing comfort with style. I love it. I love it. And of course, I love the consistency. I love that they sent me hair actually is identical to the unit that they would otherwise send anybody else. So I've also been using Luvme Hair for a very long time, so I can see the growth over the years. This wig is definitely innovative. Another thing I want to call out is how thin the tracks are. They went above and beyond to make the tracks so thin. I don't think I'm doing it justice, but the tracks itself are like really thin, so when I run my hands through it, it doesn't feel like track, it feels like scalp. It's not a full lace wig, but tracks are so light that when you run your hands through it, you're literally like, you're not snagging up on no tracks because it's so lightweight. I really love how it looks straight out the packet. I didn't wash it. I didn't have to like pluck it. I didn't have to bleach the knots because everybody knows that's a lot of work, and it looks great. And that is the lace right out the pack. I'm sure if I put like a melt band on this, like if I was going somewhere and wanted it to look like really snatched, like I can get away with that. And if you wanted to do like the baby hair thing, you could if that was your thing. But I don't care for baby hair, so I'm just brushing those back in. Overall, she is a 10 out of 10. And I don't usually just be throwing 10 out of 10s everywhere like that. I believe the last wig I reviewed from them was the curly hair unit. I love that wig, but this is everything that wig was missing, which was like, this has the tightness, the snugness without losing the comfort of the wig. So Luvme Hair, you did your thing.
So switching over to a voiceover just for a quick recap. This is a deep part bleach knot wig. It is very lightweight. It is also big head friendly, and it is also beginner friendly. So if you're looking for a ready to wear wig, this is certainly the wig to give a try.
If you're considering getting this wig, I think it's a great investment. It's a nice winter wig. It's a nice summer wig because it's so light and airy. And just an overall great investment. So let me know if you check it out, and if you have any questions, as usual, feel free to shoot them down below and I will get back to you.